Hi guys, today we have a bit of a new one, so it's a basic unboxing and this will be a quite quick one. So basically what it is, I bought myself a Sony A6400 camera. It came with its own lens. It's 18 by 55 mil, but reading some of the posts, that lens, to be honest, it's not as good. So I decided to invest into a better lens. In this case, I've been reading on forums, and for basic unboxing reviews, they've advised me that the Sigma 18 by 50 mil f2.8 DCN is a good beginner type of lens, that it kind of covers a lot of spectrums, and it's more towards the medium price for the lens. At least that's what I'm led to believe. Now, going through the packaging, please again accept my apology. I'm not still as familiar with cameras and recording and stuff like this. All my videos are slowly improving. I'm learning more by the minute. Okay, so this lens is for Sony E-mount type, filter size 55 mil, and there's a blue color here. I don't know if that indicates the color of the lens. Anything else on the box? I can't really see anything else. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Kawasaki Kanagawa, Japan, manufactured by Single Corporation. So it's a Japanese firm and imported in UK. Okay, so first thing is in the box. We have European limited warranty. I need to go into that. Got some manuals in Japanese. I'm actually a Japanese fan. I'm an anime fan, to be fair. So 12 valid customer from Sigma. Can't read that. Our philosophy and all that good stuff. Maybe some other day. Brusky, Russian, Netherlands, Polish, Portuguese, Slovenski, Xiaomi. So I can't actually read any of these languages. So what is this? This is a warranty sticker. It's actually quite nice. Warranty sticker in there. Okay. And this is the lens. Let's have a look. Okay, some nice packaging. Oh, sorry, I've hit the camera there like. Apologies. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Oh, nothing else. Move that away. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's have a look at. So, is this the filter, 55 mil filter? Is this what they're referring to as a filter? I don't even know if this is what they refer to as a filter. 55 mil. So it's like an adapter, you can put full filters on, I believe. Maybe slide them in. Interesting. Okay. And the big time. Oh, it's a big boy, isn't it? It's a big boy. Wow. Ooh, wow. Wow, it's actually quite nice. And this is the cover for the lens. It's actually near that for the existing one. Okay. And what do we do with this filter? We slide it on there like that. Okay. That actually looks lovely. What do you reckon, guys? Let's see now. Whoa. Wow. Okay, so we'll be definitely experimenting with this. I honestly don't know. I don't know what these features are about. I'm still, like I said, I'm still learning the stuff. So I don't know if this does anything, or is it just something that you spin as normal. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. This indicates the point. Actually, it's very nice quality. So yeah, but that's about it, guys. So this is the Sigma lens, Sigma 18mm by 50. I don't know if you can see that. 18 by 50 by 18 to 50mm. Let me zoom in. By 2.8 DCDN by Sigma. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Again, I hope you like this kind of a content. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do like, please like and subscribe. Again, this is a non-sponsored video, so I would appreciate any support you can give. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me just zoom out again. Take care, have a good night. Bye.